How do you expect me to defend against a 50,000 elixir push? Nah, screw this bullshit game.
Man, I hope he's awake.
Stupid-ass game.
Hey, Sukuna, guess what I got? Did you crash out over Clash again?
Oh, shut up. What do you have?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Check this out. I got us a VR headset.
Huh? VR? What does that mean? Virtual reality?
No, you dumbass. It stands for... Wait. Actually, yeah, it does. Huh? Shit, I'm late for work. Feel free to try that out.
Damn, Toji really got his ass slaving away.
Sorry I'm late, boss.
Yeah, well, not sorry enough. Look at this line I'm dealing with here.
So I guess it's supposed to go on like this? Shit seems weird. Back in my day, to get into VR, you just had to take a mystery pill. Actually, yeah, that probably wasn't VR. Alright, so let's see what Avatar Gojo decided to put on. What the? What in the hell did this guy make me wear?
Come on, Toji. I told you I was sorry already.
Yeah, well, sorry doesn't keep the toilets clean now, does it?
I can't tell what's more gay, this avatar, or the fact that I'm using it right now.
Oh, come on, man. I just cleaned there.
So this is where he decided to get this fuck-ass avatar from, huh? Let's change that. Oh, hell yeah. Damn, they did me good in this place. I think I'm in love. Wait. Is that a gay thing to say?
Just gotta make it to 9. God damn it.
You know what? I don't even care. I look good as fuck. Whoa now. I know what you're thinking. Don't worry. I'll inspect that on my own time to see if they really got my proportions right.
Man, I wonder what Sukuna's doing right now.
Time to fuck around.
I bet he's having so much fun.
Oh hell yeah, give me all of these damn things.
Actually, I wonder if he even tried to use that VR headset at all. Maybe he's just sleeping right now.
Man, who the hell eats Doritos?
All right, that's it. I'm leaving.
Man, I'm bored. Let's see what other worlds this thing has.
And where do you think you're going?
It's 9, bitch, and guess what that means? It means I get to go home, you tard.
Cuddle and sleep, huh? Nah, there's not a day in hell where I'd be down bad enough to join something like that. Today's that day.
You better get here early tomorrow. I need that piss wiped off from the ceiling before we open up.
Oh, I'll be here early once your broke ass decides to get more employees.
What are you looking at? Get back to work.
You know, Kuhai-chan, you're the only one that listens to me and my problems with so much understanding.
Goddamn. I feel so bad for Yuta, but I don't think I can do this shit anymore.
I think I could just stay here forever. This is truly God's greatest gift.
Hey, Sukuna, so good news, I'm quitting my...
Now you're the best. Oh, stop messing around, you silly goose.
Hey, dude?
Are you ready?
Dude.
Oh, what's up, bro?
The f*** you mean what's up? What the hell were you just about to do?
What do you mean? I was just about to go to sleep is all.
Yeah, okay. If that's not cap, then I'm gay as hell.
The real question here is, what are you doing, huh? It's a little early, don't you think?
Bro, what time do you think it is?
Like 2?
Dude, it's 9:30.
Oh shit, my bad. Well, looks like it's bedtime, so I'll just go to sleep now.
Wait. You're not like getting addicted to that thing, are you?
Bro, lay off. You'd think I'd ever get addicted to some shit like this?
Yes.
It's insulting. I mean, a world where I can do anything and meet all the femboys I would ever want. How could I ever get addicted to that?
Okay. Just promise me, bro. Promise you won't get addicted to this.
I swear on King David Von IV that I won't get addicted to this. Hey, stop calling me a bum, you bum. Why aren't you at school or some shit?
Man, I should have known by now that he doesn't keep promises.
With this treasure!
Thanks for watching. New skits every week. Be sure to join the Instinctively program to be added to the board.
Man, I hate school, bruh. Who the hell said yeah? Let's just make sure every kid goes to school for 20 years straight. Seems fair.
Dude, you like literally don't have to be here. Your old ass is like 400.
Look who's talking. Bitch.
Whatever, man. Let's just head back to the dorm so we can hop on Fort, bro?
Dude.
No, don't even say it.
Oh, come on.
No.
Just imagine that.
Dude, you can't just say stuff like that. She's a human too, like both of... Oh.
Special grade incoming.
God damn it.
Here, record this shit. I'm about to make history. Hey, baby.
Huh?
Well, damn shorty. You shit with that ass.
Yeah, I ain't ever recording shit again.
So, is that a yes?
How dare you?
Oh, shit. I guess not. I think I'll just stick to looking, bro.
Yeah, good idea. I think that's best for both of... Okay, bro. Hear me out.
What?
Hey, baby. Are you as hard as I am right now? Oh, shit. Yeah, never mind. Thanks for watching. New skits every week. Be sure to join the Instinctively program to be added to the board.
I'm a super busy mom of 2 toddlers, and that's why I absolutely love a good one-stop shop. I am so...
Man, this job sucks. I'm gonna go drain my worm curse. Nah, not that one.
Okay, Yuta. Looks like he's gonna go to the bathroom or whatever the hell else. You know the plan, right?
I really don't think this is a good idea.
Oh, stop being a bitch. You're supposed to be related to me, but now I'm starting to think you were just adopted or some shit. No relative of mine gets cold feet over some easy-ass task.
Fine, I'll do it. I'll be the monster.
You are such a fucking cornball, dude.
Oh, man.
Man, why the hell does my shit piss out in all 4 cardinal directions? Like 1 second it'll be pissing north, the west, then south and east. Alright, this is for food tonight. Oh, god damn it!
You know what to do.
Dude, what the hell? I didn't say for your pred ass to summon your girl to grab it.
Hey! Who the fuck?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Didn't restock the toilet paper.
Looks like I finally made it.
Huh?
Hey,
Oh, god damn it. What the hell are you doing here?
I got hungry.
You've gotta be fucking kidding me, bruh.
Nah, but seriously, do you got anything to eat?
Excuse me. I
What?
saw that you were hiring, and so I was wondering if you're still looking for someone.
Well, damn shorty, I ain't looking anymore. You want a job? I got one for you.
Come on, dude.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Oh shit, deadass? What the hell was that? Ow.
Sorry about your friend over there. It kinda just happened.
No, please, by all means, do it again.
So you said you were looking for a job, huh?
Oh, yes. I need to make some money to help fund a... certain project.
I'm not sure. What do you think, Go-Go?
It's Gojo. And why the hell are you asking me? You're the manager here.
Oh, please. I'll do whatever task you need of me.
Well, good enough. Start by cleaning each tile of every floor, then clean each individual bathroom as well as the ceiling, then restock the toilet paper, then make sure the food is at least 3 days expired, then pay all of the bills for this place, and then you can maybe take a break, then go in the roof and clean every square inch of it, then change out the lights.
What the hell did I just get myself into?
Exactly that.
Hell.
Someone, please. Call an ambulance.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to join the Instinctively program to be added to the board.
Dove Men Plant Powered Body Wash. Transform your shower. Elevate your scent game.
68 years after the death of Earth's most prolific cursed spirit, Sukuna.
Hey, Sukuna, you think Toji ever tried to cash that ticket in?
Huh? Oh yeah, probably. That guy is dumber than the word itself.
Good times.
Life here in prison is more than just passing time. It's a moment to reflect and learn upon the mistakes you took on. How many days has it even been? I've been counting for too long.
The day, it's been your professional degenerate DFLO, and I will
Well,
see you all in a
that was fucking boring.
Says you, bitch. Just 'cause you ain't in it, you think it's shit, huh?
Stop trying to act like you're into this shit, bro. I know you're just acting this way because there's still a finger of you left in some weird-ass box.
Nuh-uh.
I'm too hungry to deal with this shit right now.
Blah, blah.
I'm trying to order DoorDash. You want anything?
Yes.
I didn't even get it out yet.
Yes.
God, you're such a fat ass.
Ah, so it's been 20 minutes, huh? Time sure does fly in here.
Next time, don't steal my chocolate milk. Ugh, come on. Stop cheating over there, Dick.
Bro, how am I cheating? We're on split screen sitting on a couch.
I just,
Wait, what the hell is that?
My phone, obviously, dumbass. I'm checking our food. Ugh, what is taking so long?
Well, I think I've served my time enough. F this place. Hey, Choso. Set off the explosives.
Huh? What the hell are you mumbling about in there? And how did you get a phone?
Hey, Sukuna, I think our DoorDash is here. Go and get the door.
Ugh, god damn it, Gojo. Why do I have to do everything?
DoorDash for Satoru Gojo?
Yeah, thanks, pal. Here, go grab a soda or something.
Oh no. By all means, keep the change.
Okay? Sukuna, show him the way out. I'm trying to watch a video. Okay? Sukuna, show him the way out. I'm trying to watch a video.
Thanks, bitch. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Domain expansion.
Wait, huh?
Video.
Thanks, bitch. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Domain expansion.
Wait, huh?
Lesson learned. Never accept anything from Gojo ever again.
Oh, hey, Toji. You want some free food?
Hell yeah.
Thanks for watching.